Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Salesforce AI Champions. Today I'll be going to talk about how to use schedule path in Salesforce record trigger flow. My use case will be the same. Like in the last session I have discussed how to copy opportunity products from one opportunity to another, and the use case was like whenever the original that is the parent opportunity is marked as closed on, then we are just creating a new opportunity record and we are copying all the opportunity products, that is the opportunity line items, from the parent opportunity to the new created opportunity, and we are just updating that parent opportunity. There is a lookup field was there for a parent opportunity, like this one, relationship, this related opportunity. So we are updating this related opportunity id with the newly created opportunity id, right? So, and this updation was happen in real time. That is, whenever the opportunity, that original parent opportunity is getting closed on, then we that time only we are just updating that related opportunity. But for my today's use case, I'll be using a schedule path in that record trigger flow. So using those schedule path, we can just update Salesforce record, like after one updation on one actions has happened, right? And this happened only on the after update trigger context, and we can't use this schedule path in a fast field update actions, like whenever the if the data got submitted into that database, then only after that we can just use a schedule path to execute our further logic. So, and the use case benefits were earlier like same, like saving time to eliminating manual re-entry of the product. So whenever we are copying opportunity products into the new opportunity, so we don't need to manually add those products. Ensure consistency in product data between opportunities. We are mapped multiple fields of the opportunity line items so that all the data remains consistent in the new opportunity record as well. So it helps sales team to easily track recurring deals or renewals. This is like opportunity renewals. Whenever a new opportunity got created and it's getting created from the existing opportunity, we can easily track recurring deals and renewals. So let me go to the flow interface. So before get started, please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. So I have this flow, and this is a record trigger flow, and the triggering context is like it's on the opportunity object, and whenever the record is getting updated, and it's getting updated whenever the stage is closed on, then only we will execute our further logic. And we can see that this plus add schedule path in bracket optional, this action button is available, but for the actions and related records. But if I select this fast field updates option, so we can't see that adding the schedule path option, since within the fast field updates, so what happens, those records did not save into the database, right? So fast field update happens, we can update some record fields before the data got saved into the database. So we'll be using this actions and related records option only, and to execute our schedule path. And after selecting this one, I can just click on this plus add a schedule path option. So in the schedule path, in the information text, I am just reading it quickly. Add a schedule path if you want a flow path to run a certain amount of time after the triggering record is updated. Whenever the triggering record is updated or some updated, then only we want to execute the schedule path, and we want to execute some operations. That time can be based on triggering event. We can mention the based on the time source, like whenever, like for this use case, like different time sources are available, like when the opportunity updated, opportunity close date, opportunity created date, opportunity last modified date. So we can use this time source, and like a separate flow interviews runs for each schedule path. Each schedule path interview is queued to run at a scheduled time, but can be delayed until the system resources become available. Path labels appear on the connectors in the canvas. So for this context, what will I will say, like whenever the opportunity stage is getting updated and it's in our triggering context, it's already mentioned that whenever the opportunity stage is getting means whenever the opportunity is updated and the stage is getting set to closed on, then only we will execute our logic further. So in the schedule path, I'll be adding the context like when schedule path for ops closed on. I have added the path level, and time source I'll be selecting like whenever the opportunity is updated, right? And the updation condition is whenever the opportunity is updated and the stage is set to closed on. And the offset and offset options will be like I'll be setting like after 1 minute I want to update that reference opportunity information, or we can just execute the whole logic after the 1 minute, like means creation of the opportunity records, new opportunity records and all. I can just set the offset number as 1 and I'll be telling like 1 minute after. So offset options will be there are different offset options like months after, months before, days, hours we can mention. But for this case I am just mentioning offset options as 1 minute after. So whenever the opportunity is getting updated, then after on 1 minute our schedule path will be executed, right? And I can just save this one quickly. And now what we need to do, like it's there now we can see there are two paths, right? One is run immediately and schedule path for ops closed on, right? There are two paths are now available, run immediately and schedule path. So we'll copy and paste our whole logic into the schedule path. Okay, let me just cut all the elements into the our schedule paths. And last one is this update record element, and we are good to go. So I copied over all our logic into this schedule path. Now I will just activate this flow and I will test this one. So for this opportunity record, there are two products are there, right? Let me just refresh this one quickly. For this opportunity, the opportunity is in qualification stage and there are two product opportunity line items, that is the opportunity products are there, and there are no related opportunity information. So I'll be just setting it to closed on and I'll be clicking on save, and let me just refresh it quickly. And we can see that this related opportunity reference is not updated yet, so this will be updated after 1 minute. So we can see all our schedule flows from here, like time based automation. So under monitoring environments, monitoring, and then we can find time based automations. And in this time based automation we can just click on this search button and we can see that for this record this automation is scheduled, right? And automation type is flow schedule path. So this is the schedule path will be scheduled after this one, after 1 minute of the opportunity updation, right? So this is how we can find all our schedule flows here. And this is also true for any schedule trigger flow. Whenever, like, just read me this text through, like monitor the queue pending automations to filter list, enter criteria before click search. So we can just specify different criteria. We can specify schedule dates or automation by automation type or by record name. The queue includes schedule paths for record triggered flow, scheduled trigger flow, time dependent workflow actions, scheduled action for processes, built-in process builder, and flow resume events. So we can find all the scheduled paths and scheduled trigger flow events in this time-based automations section of this. So whenever this will be empty, then we can see that our scheduled path should be executed. Let me just refresh and search, and we can see that there are no records are there. So this is how we can find that there are no pending schedule paths is there and our respective schedule path already executed. And now let me just refresh this one. So we can see that there are no related opportunity is there. But if I just refresh this one, and now we can see that our in the related opportunity is populated with the newly created opportunity record. And if I just open this one, I can find that all our respective actions are working fine, like copying over the products into the new opportunity record. And so this is how we can just simply use this schedule path in the record triggered flow. And I have created several tutorials on how to, like on the flows, Salesforce flows topic. And in the last session I have shown one use case of the record triggered flow, like copying this opportunity products information from one opportunity to newly created opportunity. So please go through those tutorials, so that will be very helpful for you. And thanks for watching. I will be adding more tutorials on Salesforce and Omni Studio topics, so please stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.